Welcome, fellow soap makers, to yet another tutorial of melt and pour. Unlike the previous video where we looked at cylindrical layering, this time we will look at making a pair of ladybugs. We will start with a typical ladybug color palette, summer wine for our red, and black flower for our black. This is a very popular mold, which I am pretty sure you all know it. You can find it on Amazon, eBay, and even secondhand marketplaces. Today, we will only focus on the ladybugs. This is a carving melt and pour base. You can create it by simply increasing the viscosity in melt and pour. It does not matter whether it is clear or any other color. If you would like to learn more about viscosity, please see my advanced melt and pour course. We will begin by separating the two bases, which we will melt in 2 milk jugs, one for red and the other for black. We will also give the chopping board a clean wipe. Next, we will bring our standalone induction cooker. Fill our pot with just enough water. Put our milk jugs in and begin by melting the soap blocks. Once they are fully melted, what we want to do is to mix our colors in. Begin with our summer wine. Once ready, we will do the same with the black. And start pouring in our red bases. Leave them to harden and unmold them. Now, using a bolt or anything that's round and small enough to go through the spots, begin to push through. It must go deep enough to get to the other side of the mold. We will remove the excess soap by using a spatula or anything similar. This can be intimidating when done for the first time. However, with time, you become a lot faster and find your own shortcuts. Now that we are done with the drilling for both soaps, we will get a blade and slice the top by following the same curvature. Prepare our black melt and pour, and bring back our mold. Begin by inserting the ladybugs back into their molds, making sure that they fit perfectly. The better you seat them, the easier it is to work on them afterwards. You can put any other parts of the soap that you would like to keep with the color. Now we need to pour at low viscosity to make sure that the soap gets in everywhere we drilled. Unmold the ladybugs. If they were seated properly, you will see a lot less excess soap coming through. However, this is where the carving base and high viscosity come to aid, because the soap will be very easy to remove. You can remove this even with a scraper. Now, using a spatula, we will design the eyes. Begin to do so by slowly following the contour of the eyes and removing the soap. Now we will begin to pour the eyes with a high viscosity white melt and pour base. We do not require a mold for this. And easily remove the excess soap. Now, I've changed my mind, and I would like to make a change and have the face black. It will look a lot better with the white eyes. As you can see, it looks a lot better. However, we will not stop here. Using a damp towel, we will polish the ladybugs so that all the colors blend in together nicely. Look how cute they are. We will also polish them a little by using the back of the spatula to further blend in the colors. And I think we are done. If you've enjoyed the video and you like the idea, please consider giving the video a thumbs up and subscribe. As always, thank you for watching and see you next time.